A question I've been getting a lot recently is what is the best way to connect a microphone to a gimbal? So today, that's what we're going to look at.
Learn how to turn your smartphone into a professional quality video camera. Be sure to check out our mobile filmmaking courses, master the FiLMiC Pro app, and learn about smartphone video and cinematography. And also, don't forget, we have a companion filmmaking podcast. Links are in the description.
That's all you need. So all this is an arm you attach to the bottom of the gimbal. And this is a cold shoe, and it has multiple mounts around the sides. Pretty much every gimbal has a 1/4-20 on the bottom, and that's how this connects. You just simply screw it in. Then you attach the cold shoe to the other side. And if you have a tripod, I recommend attaching that too. This has another 1/4-20 on the bottom, which is great. Then you grab your microphone. This is a D80 mic. Works with smartphones or traditional cameras. And I have a Lightning to 3.5mm adapter. Now, I like to configure this with the mic out to the side. Like so. That way when you grip it, the mic doesn't hit your hand. But if you wanted to, you could put the mic in tighter like that. So it's really up to you. Then you just add your phone. When you balance your phone, you want to make sure that you plug this in first. This will affect the balance. And now you're ready to shoot gimbal footage with a microphone. So the Vlog Pocket here is wide open on the side. The arm and the grip do not come around to the side of the phone like bigger gimbals often do. But this setup will work on those too. It will be gimbal dependent. Some gimbals it might not work with because you've got to push the phone out to the side. And if you do push the phone out to the side, you could always use a counterweight to make it work. But heavier duty gimbals like this FiLMiC G6 Max, it works great with. So if you want to use a mic with a gimbal, this is a great way to do it. You can also use different kinds of arms depending on what you want to use. But this is one way to get good audio with your gimbal footage because don't forget, audio is just as important as video and often more important. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Blake Calhoun. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.